Of board members now, Mr. Board Chair. Before we get started, I definitely wanted to just remind people that this meeting will, of course, be recorded due to open meetings law. And I also would like to remind everyone to please mute their phones if they will not be presenting, just to cut back on some of the some of the noise and maybe some feedback. And with that, Board Chair, I will try to conduct the meeting, and I will turn it over to your hands, sir.
Thank you, Mr. General Manager. Roll call. All officers are present. Item number 1, motion to adopt the minutes of the meeting of May 5th, 2021.
So moved.
Motion made.
Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 2.
Good morning. Item number 2, Mr. Chairman, is an informative item. It's our reallocation of funds. We ask that you receive and file this item.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
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 Ayes have it. Item number 3.
Item number 3, Mr. Chairman, is a further amended and restated sewer system revenue bond resolution. It takes our 1977 resolution, does some enhancements, some improvements. It strengthens the reporting, the structure, and the engagement for BSA and others. This further amendment, as the board had approved the prior amended and restated resolution in the last board meeting, this further amendment includes discussions and modifications with EFC, M&T as trustee, and our underwriter. We have reviewed this in great detail in caucus, and we now present this to the honorable body for its adoption and approval.
So moved. Second.
Motion made. Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 4.
Item number 4, Mr. Chairman, is the green bond. It's the bond that we've been discussing and have apprised the board of. It's up to $55 million. It's our environmental impact bond. It goes in connection with and in concert with our administrative order and the regulators in an effort to reduce impervious surfaces, some 200 acres. It's a performance type bond, one of a unique feature across the country for BSA. We're very proud to be part to issue this, and it will be issued shortly on the street with Morgan Stanley. And we like to thank Morgan Stanley, Qualified Ventures, Barclay and Damon, Capital Market Advisors, Greeley and Hanson, and the BSA team for putting this together. We're very proud to come together and present this to the board for its acceptance and approval. We received a very strong rating from S&P with an A+ on this particular bond issuance. It's been quite some time since BSA has been out to market. This is our best foot forward, and we commend all those parties that have been involved in this initiative to get this out on the street. So we present this to the board, and we recommend its adoption and approval.
As you commended your team, I commend you and your team, Ron, for the hard work and putting us in position to be able to get this bond. So we thank you for all the hard work, diligent work that you and your team has done to continue to keep Buffalo Sewer Authority on the map and prevalent in our community. Is there a motion to make?
So moved.
Motion made.
Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 5.
Item number 5, Mr. Chairman, is the final adoption of the amended sewer schedule, sewer rents and other charges for 21-22. As required and as we have in the past, we've published those sewer rents and other charges. And as we have for more than 18 years, have made no changes to the sewer rents and other charges as prescribed and decided by the board. So we're recommending the adoption of the sewer rents and other charges for 2021-22 with no change as we have in the past. We recommend its adoption and approval.
So moved.
Motion made. Is there a second?
I guess I'll second. Maybe she fell off.
Yes, second, sorry.
Oh. Motion made second. All in favor? Aye.
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 Ayes have it. Item number 6.
Item number 6, Mr. Chairman, is a payment from judgment and claims that represents a prior period expense with Granger in the amount of $128.75. We recommend its approval.
So moved.
So,
Motion made.
second.
And second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Item number 7. Mr. Brown?
Looks like we might have.
This
There you go.
item, I'm sorry, Mr. Chair. Authorization for change order to Damon, Barclay Damon, in the amount of an additional $50,000. Most of the additional costs that we have incurred relate to the green bond issuance and all of the supportive and great work that Barclay Damon has done, in addition to some ancillary items that they are managing and covering for us. So we recommend the approval of the increase of $50,000 to the blanket purchase order for Barclay Damon.
So moved.
Motion made.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes. Ayes have it. Item number 8.
Item number 8, Mr. Chairman, is a travel authorization to Milwaukee, Wisconsin for the general manager to attend StormCon conference, and that is in September, where they'll be presenting along with Quantified Ventures and our consultant team on our environmental impact bond that the board just approved. And I recommend approval.
So moved.
Motion made.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 9.
Item number 9, Mr. Chairman, is a travel authorization to Saratoga Springs for our assistant principal engineer, who serves as the first vice president of the Erie Niagara chapter of the New York State Society of Professional Engineers. While the meals, hotels, and incidentals are covered by the chapter, we still come before this honorable body for approval of the travel. There will be no intended expenses out of the Buffalo Sewer Authority's funds, but we recommend approval of attendance to this conference.
So moved.
So moved. Second.
Second.
Motion made. Second. All in
Aye.
favor? Ayes.
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 10.
Item number 10, Mr. Chairman, is a report on bids received for elevator maintenance. Bids were solicited for elevator maintenance inspection and an annual operation at the treatment facility. 3 bids came back with DCB Elevator as the low bidder. This has been reviewed and recommend for approval at a cost not to exceed $134,600.
So
So
moved.
moved. Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 11.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. This is Roberta Gick. I'll be presenting item number 11 and item number 12. This item number 11 is for a change order request for contract with O'Connell Electric. They are doing work on our transformer replacement at our facility, and they have an unforeseen repair for the grounding cart. This will help to safely install our transformer 2. And we have reviewed and we recommend for approval. Final contract cost will now be $2,687,676. And we recommend for approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Ayes have it. Item number 12.
Item number 12, Mr. Chairman, is an extension of a contract for energy consulting services. We hired a company, United Energy, as a professional consulting for our facility. The original contract was in July 2019-20. and we renewed it for fiscal year 2021. And now this is a request to again renew that contract for 21-22. All prices submitted in the original contract will stay the same, and we have reviewed this and recommend for approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made. Second, all in favor?
Aye.
Ayes. Ayes have it. Item number 13.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. This is Paul Harris. I'll be presenting items 13 through 15. Item 13 is a change order, number 5 for the implant electrical maintenance service contract for the amount of $45,886.93. This is for the closeout of the contract in fiscal year 2021. This will bring the total adjusted contract cost to $2,495,886.93.
So moved.
Oh, this has been reviewed and recommended for approval.
Motion made
Second.
and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. My computer went blank on me, so give me a second. The next item is item 14, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Item
number 14,
Correct.
right?
Item number 14 is an extension of the contract for the implant mechanical maintenance services. This is with Quackenbush, and the extension is for the fiscal year 2021 to 2022 at a cost not to exceed $600,000. It's been reviewed and recommended for approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 15.
Item number 15, Mr. Chairman, is a report on bids received for the purchase of new and unused gas detectors. The Martech controls came in at $39,479 as the lowest bid. This has been reviewed and recommended for approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 16.
Item number 16, Mr. Chairman, is authorization for repairs to our Camel combination sewer cleaning machine. This is for work that needs to be done for the water pump. It is in the amount of $58,412.52. Reviewed this with staff, and we recommend approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 17.
Item number 17, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to a change order to a blanket order for our disposal of construction debris. This is with our contract with Waste Management, New York, and it is in the amount of $20,000, which will bring the total cost for the fiscal year to $136,000 through the end of June 30th, and we recommend approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 18.
Item number 18, Mr. Chairman, is a report on bids received for the removal and disposal of miscellaneous construction debris. This is for fiscal year 21-22. As you see, both prices per ton based off of our estimated 22,000 tons came back identical, and which means we had a decision to make, and we based our decision off of which one was going to be the most cost effective for the Buffalo Sewer Authority based on our driving distance as well as the more centralized location. We have decided to go with Waste Management, who has the East Side Transfer Station that is located within the city of Buffalo and represents the best value to the Buffalo Sewer Authority. We recommend approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 19.
Item number 19, Mr. Chairman, is authorization to enter into professional service agreement. That's with Blue Heron Engineering Services, and it is for development of our SOPs for our sewer maintenance division. We went through an RFP process, and Blue Heron Engineers had the best, was determined to have the best proposal as submitted. It is for the amount of $106,545.65, and we recommend approval.
So move.
Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes. Ayes have it. Item number 20.
Item number 20, Mr. Chairman, is change order number 3 for our contract with the Research Foundation and UB Renew, and it's for professional services as it relates to supporting our long-term control plan. We envision visualization services that will be provided for the Bird Island Treatment Facility, as well as hydraulic modeling and integration of our green infrastructure that also supports our long-term control plan. And we recommend approval of this $250,000 change order with the university.
So move.
Motion made.
Second.
Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Item number 21, Jamil.
Item number 21 is amendment.
Julia, rather.
Julia, yes. Item number 21 is amendment to the schedule of job classification plan. We would like to modify the job classification plan and add a typist instead of a junior accountant. I just wanted to amend that schedule. We have approved and recommend approval, reviewed and recommend approval.
And Ms.
So
Jones,
moved.
did you discuss this with Mr. Brown?
Yes.
Okay. Motion made and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item number 22.
Item number 22 is confirmation of appointment. We hired one wastewater operator provisional. We have reviewed and recommend approval.
So moved.
So move.
Motion made.
Second.
Second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Item 23.
Item 23, Mr. Chairman, is tuition reimbursement in the amount totaling $6,762.16. We have reviewed and recommend approval.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made and second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Excuse me,
Aye.
we didn't hear the motion for the job classification amendment. We just heard everybody say aye, or didn't hear who made the motion.
Can you make another motion? I mean, is there a motion for the item number 23?
21.
For 21, please. Again, board members.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it. Item 24, adjournment of the meeting.
So moved.
Motion
Second.
made. Second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ayes have it.
Board
All
Chair,
right.
thank you. Thank you for your action. Thank you for your patience today. Definitely one of our more lengthy meetings, and we definitely appreciate all the hard work that you guys do.
Well, we certainly appreciate all the hard work you guys have done. It's been incredible. So we really thank you. And now I think I'm going to have lunch. But